to you a little bit about PIP, personal injury protection. Personal injury protection is $10,000 of insurance that your insurance policy has available to you for medical treatment. It can include going to the hospital or seeing a primary care doctor or having MRIs done or having any therapy done. Okay, so in order for you to qualify for personal injury protection in the state of Florida, all you have to do is be involved in a motor vehicle collision and have a car insurance policy. It is possible that if you're a passenger in a car that you could be covered by someone else's personal injury protection. However, you have to make a claim and go to a doctor within 14 days of the accident to report that you're injured, and preferably to report all of your injuries from head to toe. So if you don't make that report to the doctor within 14 days, your auto insurance company can deny making payments under your personal injury protection $10,000 of insurance. In addition to your medical coverage under the $10,000, you're also entitled to lost wages that resulted from the motor vehicle collision that you were involved in, and that comes out of the $10,000. So you have a total of a $10,000 pocketbook of money to cover you for lost wages and medical treatment. Now, even if you don't get, you don't report injuries within that 14-day period of time, and even if your insurance company denies your coverage under that personal injury protection portion of your policy, you're still entitled to make a claim for injuries that you sustain in a motor vehicle collision and recover against the other party who's at fault, against their insurance company. And that can cover all of your medical costs, your future medical costs, your lost wages, and any pain and suffering, inconvenience, emotional distress that you suffer as a result of a motor vehicle collision. And when we're talking about motor vehicle collisions, we're talking about if you're in a car that's hit, or if you're a pedestrian hit by a car, or if you're on a motorcycle hit by a car, or if you're on a bicycle hit by a car, you can make a claim against the person who has auto insurance, or a truck, or a commercial motor vehicle, or if they're on a motorcycle and hit you and they have insurance, bodily injury insurance, and you can make claims against all those policies. However, for personal injury protection purposes, that first $10,000 of medical insurance coverage, you have to make a claim within 14 days of the date of the collision, so it's very important for you to do that. And so that's a brief explanation of personal injury protection. It's available regardless of fault. So even if the other party says they're not at fault and that you were at fault, you're still covered for that $10,000 of personal injury protection. Whether you were at fault or not at fault, that first $10,000 of medical insurance covers you for any treatment that you need. So that's just a little overview of personal injury protection in the state of Florida.